My dearest child. Repeat, I am beginning to receive that as I look back on my life, it's always worked out for me. One way or another, even when I did not see a way out, life brought me to a better place. I rest any anxiety and doubt on the shoulders of my energy, for it knows no fear. I am empowered like never before. I am aligned with the strength of my spirit. The state of my life has shifted from victim and difficulty to an awakened ease. Everything is working out for me. Type yes if you agree. The universe is going to put you in the right place at the right time. You will receive divine connections. People will go out of their way to be good to you. There is a big plan for your life, and is manifesting in the best way for you right now. Type yes if you ready, and also subscribe the channel. Thank you all.